In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Workflow Builder on Slack. Whether you're looking to streamline processes or just find ways to save time, this tool is here to help. Slack's Workflow Builder is a powerful feature that allows you to automate routine tasks directly within your Slack workspace. Let's dive into how we can set that up effectively. First things first, we need to navigate to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Slack's URL. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to sign in located at the top right corner. Click on that, which will bring up multiple sign-in options. Next, we'll use the Google account sign-in option. Choose Google from the list and then proceed to sign in using your Google account credentials. It's a quick and secure way to get set up without having to remember yet another password. Now, once you're logged in, go to the home screen of your Slack workspace. This is the hub where much of your Slack activity starts. You'll see a list of your channels on the left side. Select the channel where you want to begin building your workflow. In your chosen channel, it's time to type in the command, Enter Build, in the message field. Hitting Enter will activate Slack's Workflow Builder prompt. You should then see a button that says Open Workflow Builder. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Workflow Builder, there's an option to create a new workflow. Locate the New Workflow button. This is where the magic begins. Click on it and you're off to building your own automated process. Once you've started creating your workflow, the next step is to select Build Workflow. This will guide you through the initial framework for your workflow. Here, you'll choose an event that will trigger your new workflow. Events can be anything from a simple message being sent in a channel to more complex triggers. After selecting your event, the next thing you'll need to do is set the parameters for your workflow. Think of this as setting rules or actions that happen when your specific condition is met. Adding detailed actions and responses during this setup will make your workflow more robust and useful. When you feel satisfied with the parameters, look for the Finish Up button located at the top right corner of the Workflow Builder. Give it a click. To finalize everything, you'll have the chance to rename your workflow to something identifiable and useful. Finally, when you're ready, hit Publish. Your workflow is now live and ready to start making your life a little bit easier. And there you have it. Hopefully, this tutorial helps streamline your tasks and maximize efficiency in your Slack workspace. Don't forget to explore and experiment with different triggers and actions to see just how versatile the Workflow Builder can be.